So you're looking for Opus Clips alternatives and you're wondering what the best option is out there right now on the market. Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm sharing 4 of the very best Opus Clips alternatives out there that you should know about and probably switch to. Now, I was actually a former Opus Clips user for over a year, but I'll be sharing the platform I've switched to that is way more comprehensive than what Opus Clips has to offer. And throughout this video, I'll also be highlighting how you can actually use these alternatives to make more money for your business. It doesn't matter if you make money clipping, you're an influencer, or you work at a social media marketing agency, this is definitely the video for you. Let's get to it. So guys, the first Opus Clips alternative I wanted to cover in this video is a platform called Riverside. And this is actually what I'm switching to, and it's what I recommend for every content creator, clipper, podcaster, and agency owner out there. And let me just start out by saying that Riverside is way more than just a clipping tool. It has so much more functionality and features than Opus Clips, and that's really why I'm starting this video with Riverside. Now for starters, Riverside can do exactly what Opus Clips does thanks to its Magic Clips feature. This feature uses Riverside's AI to identify viral moments in long-form content and then clip that content into short-form videos that are perfect for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And honestly guys, this feature is super simple to use. All you need to do is record or upload your long-form content to Riverside to get started. Riverside then detects the most viral moments in your content and creates clips for you. And just like Opus Clips, you can easily add in captions and style these clips to match your brand or the look and feel that you want. But honestly, Riverside does a much better job than Opus Clips at actually letting you edit your clips. For example, you can adjust the clip length, but also choose the focus speaker, which is super nice for shuffling the camera attention around. You can even change backgrounds or pick different layouts, and Riverside even lets you turn your speakers into different avatars, like anime characters, animals, or other unique characters that can help you go even more viral. On top of that, if you're actually recording long-form content or recording a podcast yourself that you want to clip, then using Riverside is a no-brainer because the workflow is so simple. You basically record your long-form content via Riverside, and then it's already there, ready for you to clip. But even YouTubers and TikTokers can make use of the Magic Clips feature as well. Now again, I used Opus Clips for over a year. I liked it at first. I was using it for my different YouTube channels. I was using it to start posting on TikTok, but I really like the editing control and overall workflow with Riverside much more. On top of that, I also find that Riverside does a slightly better job at actually finding viral moments and the clips you actually want to post. Part of this is because of its transcription capabilities. Riverside can actually transcribe audio and video with 99% accuracy according to its website, so it actually scans your content to detect the best moments to clip and does a pretty good job. Now that's the clipping side of Riverside, but like I said, it has way more features and functionality that make it way more robust than just using Opus Clips. For example, Riverside lets creators easily enhance audio with its Magic Audio feature, produce AI show notes following a recording session, and even edit content just by chatting with Riverside's co-creator AI agent, which is absolutely insane. On top of that, Riverside also lets you record in high quality so you can create 4K clips that look exactly how you want, and customers also get unlimited storage. What's also really cool and quite unique is that Riverside saves your recording locally on each participant's computer. So even if your connection drops or your guest has connectivity issues, you can process and upload the highest quality possible. I've actually experienced this myself because I've been on podcasts that have recorded using Riverside, and even with spotty internet connection or a couple of issues, it really makes the whole thing work. And honestly, the technology kind of blows my mind. Now, in terms of pricing, Riverside does have a free plan, so you can sign up and play around with it, but your clips will have watermarks on them, just keep that in mind, but this is pretty standard for the world of clipping tools. Now for paid plans, Riverside starts as low as $24 per month if you pay annually, and $29 if you pay monthly. And you can also use the code TOM20 to get a 20% discount on your plan and a 14-day free trial as well. Now this plan includes every major recording, clipping, and editing feature, so it's really the perfect way to begin testing out Riverside, and again, you'll get rid of the watermarks. Now in contrast, Opus Clips Pro also costs $29 per month, but you're just getting clipping features, so you're not getting the host of other features and functionality that you get with Riverside. Again, with Riverside, you're really getting this end-to-end solution that lets you record, edit, and create viral clips and content that you want for your business. So really, I think it's a no-brainer, and this is why I recommend switching to Riverside if you're currently using Opus Clips. Riverside is how I'm creating clips now for my content businesses, so I'll be linking them down below as well if you guys want to check them out and help support the channel. And don't forget to use that discount code as well when you sign up for some savings and that free trial. Okay guys, and the second Opus Clips alternative I wanted to cover is another popular clipping tool called ChopAI. And ChopAI is a newer player in the clipping space, but it recently came out with version 2 of its website and platform that not a lot of you guys might have seen, so I wanted to cover it again in this video. And really, ChopAI works super similarly to Opus Clips and helps you create viral-worthy clips from long-form content. All you need to do is post links from your long-form content or upload the files into ChopAI. Its AI editor then creates viral-worthy short-form clips from the content that's basically ready to post. Now, I've actually tested out ChopAI. I was using it as well for a little bit, and I have a video that covers ChopAI, and it does a pretty decent job at clipping. I've actually talked to their team as well, and one of the reasons it does a good job at detecting viral moments is because its model has trained on thousands upon thousands of videos, so it does a pretty good job at detecting the moments you actually want to clip. The editing capabilities are also decent, and I like that ChopAI lets you edit clips with its text editor, so it's very speedy. It's very easy to change the dialogue, and you just edit the text in ChopAI's editor to include or exclude parts of the video that you want in your clip. You can also add subtitles automatically or toggle them off, and you can also add zoom in and out automatically and choose if it's animated or not, which I also like. Now, another feature that's nice with ChopAI is that it makes it very easy to schedule posting once you actually create some clips. You just need to link your social accounts to ChopAI, and then you can schedule content to go live. So it's really useful for batch creating shorts and then posting them for weeks to come. Now, in terms of pricing, ChopAI also lets you create some free test clips, but they will have a watermark on it, so you guys really don't want to stick with this plan. Now, for paid plans, ChopAI has a sliding scale based on how many video hours per month you want to turn into clips. It starts at £20 per month for the 4-hour plan, and you can use the sliding scale on its website to check out pricing. Now, pound for pound, once again, I think you're better off paying for a Riverside plan because you'll get way more functionality than kind of working out the monthly pricing with ChopAI's sliding scale. And honestly, 4 hours of video footage turned into clips really isn't that much, because if you're uploading podcasts or really long interviews or just long-form content in general, you will blow through 4 hours and spend much more money with ChopAI. But that said, I still think ChopAI is a decent alternative to Opus Clips, especially if you just want clipping and you don't mind that sliding scale pricing model. Alright guys, and the third Opus Clips alternative I wanted to cover is a platform called Flowjin. And again, like Opus Clips, the concept here is super similar, and Flowjin helps you take long-form content and clip it into short-form content that's basically ready to post. The workflow is essentially the same as well as Opus Clips, so it'll feel very familiar. You just drop a video link into Flowjin and click the Get Short Clips button, or you can upload the files directly to start clipping them. Flowjin then finds about 6 to 12 clips based on how long your content is. Now, one thing I do like about Flowjin and one of its unique selling points is that once it clips stuff, it will also create ready-to-post social media content that goes alongside the clips. This content is also platform specific, which is really what I like about Flowjin. For example, Flowjin can create the text and captions for your content to go live on LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. But all of your content will have different call to actions, stylings, and hashtags to match the platform's look and feel. And you can edit all of these details too before you're posting. And so this is quite useful if you're creating clips and then posting them in multiple different platforms to maximize reach. You might like using something like Flowjin over Opus Clips. Flowjin also has a decent clipping editor, which looks like more of a traditional video editor. It's easy to add captions, trim segments, and edit based on the transcript as well. So if you have a background in video editing, you'll probably like this layout quite a bit. Now, in terms of pricing, there is a free plan you can use to try it out, but again, you will have watermarks, so you really shouldn't stick with free. From there, Flowjin's paid plans start at $19 monthly when you pay monthly, but this only gets you 150 minutes of video and audio per month. Realistically, you're going to pay $29 or more based on how many audio and video hours you're putting in for clipping, so just keep that in mind, although Flowjin could be a slightly cheaper Opus Clips alternative if you're only clipping a little bit of content every single month. Alright guys, and the fourth and final Opus Clips alternative I wanted to cover is called Submagic. And again guys, this is really a stock standard Opus Clips alternative. It specializes in clipping, and the workflow is, again, pretty much the exact same. And that's because Submagic has a Magic Clips feature, which again turns your long form content into clips that you can post on social media. This tool does things like add captions, it cleans up audio, it adds automatic zoom in and out, it can even add royalty-free B-roll footage and add music and sound effects. Again, super similar to Opus Clips, so you guys should be pretty familiar with the entire workflow. But one unique Submagic feature I wanted to cover is its AI avatar video generation feature, which is honestly pretty cool. This feature lets you turn scripts into short-form presenter videos in 60 seconds. You just pick an avatar, write your script, and then export a talking head video. There's over 120 AI avatars to pick from, which is also nice, and this could really be decent for affiliate marketers or replacing your UGC budget. So again, if you want to make talking head content or you want to make UGC videos but you don't like being on camera yourself, this Submagic feature might be worth paying for. Now, speaking of paying for things, pricing on Submagic is also pretty competitive and pretty reasonable. Submagic starts at $19 for the starter plan, which gets you 15 videos per month. It's also $39 for the pro plan, which gets you 40 videos per month. However, if you want the Magic Clips feature, you do have to pay an add-on fee, and this is where the pricing becomes less reasonable and where I think something like Riverside is once again way more affordable. Paying for this upsell will bring the base price to $38 per month for the starter plan, again if you don't pay for annual pricing. So I think Submagic might be good if you're using its AI avatar video generation feature and a bit of clipping, but again, the clipping is an add-on feature which I'm not a huge fan of. But anyways guys, I hope this breakdown of popular Opus Clips alternatives helps you make the right choice if you're on the market for Opus Clips alternatives, you want to start clipping, and you're wondering what platform is the best one for you. Now, like I said, I've switched to Riverside. It's what I'm going to be using for my clipping needs, and I'll be linking them down below as well with that discount code if you want to try them out and also help support the channel. I really think the number of features you get with it is pretty awesome for the price you pay, and I also want to start a podcast this year and just start recording higher quality long form content in general, so Riverside is going to be a key piece of my entire workflow. You can go with other options, of course, and really each Opus Clips alternative I've shared in this video kind of has its own unique selling point or a feature that might make it better or worse for you based on your own needs, so hopefully this video helps you make the best choice possible. But I'd also love to hear from you guys. Is there an Opus Clips alternative you're going to use? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Is there some other company out there I should check out? You can let me know down in the comments. I always love hearing from you guys. That really does it for this one, guys, though. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.